Hi friends, this morning in math we are going to talk about the numbers 4 and 5 and how we can recognize those numbers in a group of objects and what happens if they get rearranged. So I want you to take a look at this screen and you can see some bees and a beehive, and I want you to count how many bees you see on the hive. Now we're going to count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 bees on the hive. There are still 5 bees. Are there still 5 bees? Yes or no? How do you know? If you said, yes, Miss Cup, there are still 5 bees. How do you know there are still 5? We can count them, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this next activity, we are going to think about what happens to the number of bees when they move around and if the number changes. So here,
this is one way to arrange.
We can see one way to show 5 bees. 2 on the outside, 1 in the middle.
Here is another way.
Here's another way to show 5 bees. 2 at the top, 3 at the bottom. Here, there are also 5 bees. 2 on the one side, 3 on the other. Still showing 5. These 5 counters could represent 5 bees. No matter how you arrange them, the number of bees stays the same. How does this picture match the picture of the bees on the hive? They both show 5. Here, we can use counters to also represent the bees. There's one counter for each bee.